morning, everyone. Hanging out with another good-looking man named Ken. Here's a family portrait to give you kind of a clue of who this guy is. All right, so I come over here and voila, a good-looking man named Ken.
Hey, Ken.
You know,
How's it
all
going,
the good-looking guys are named Ken.
I know. Isn't that weird? They even made a doll after us, right?
Exactly. Well, we're here at Hatfield's Good Grub. Good to get to hang out with your brother.
Oh, yeah. I haven't seen you in a while.
I know.
Other than on TV,
Right,
and you're
right.
socially distanced, so it's one of those things. I can't run up and hug you like I normally would.
Right.
But, you know, I love
But
you.
we're here.
Yeah.
Well, talk to us about your place. You guys have done a lot of growing since you first had this
When
one,
I
correct?
first came to Cleveland with my food truck,
Yeah.
we built this with the food truck, basically.
With the food truck
So
money,
when we
yeah.
opened this restaurant, it was basically the food truck, the restaurant, and we do events just to build stuff. Like I'd build the bar
Right.
after an event, you know. But since then, we've grown a lot. We do breakfast, we do lunch. We do breakfast on Saturdays and Sundays. We do lunch, and then we do dinner.
And when we're looking at the decor here, tell everybody why you chose this decor, because you have a very interesting story about your
Well,
family history.
I'm a true Hatfield.
Okay.
I am a direct descendant of the Hatfield family, you know, the Hatfield-McCoy feud. And it's kind of funny. We just get all the stuff that a lot of the stuff came out of my grandmother's barn. She passed away this year, and I got a bunch of her stuff out of there.
Okay.
But yeah,
And
our
then
local people donate stuff and everything. So
And you
it's pretty
guys were
good.
able to expand into this other massive room here now, correct?
Yeah, this room used to be an old pool hall a long time ago.
Yep.
And we cut some holes, did a lot of painting. My wife and I painted all the trees that you see. We did a bunch of stuff to make it feel homey, like next door. We opened it up about 5 months before they shut everything down.
Okay.
So we're trying to get people back in. As you can see, you can socially distance in here easily.
Yes, indeed. We have about, 15 seconds to
15
describe
seconds. I'm gonna
all
give you
the
some
food
stuff.
up here.
Corned beef hash with sunny side eggs. That's our homemade biscuits and gravy. We make those from scratch.
Yep.
This is breakfast. You can get it on Saturday and Sunday.
Right.
That is a hillbilly Philly omelet with our signature Hatfield hash. And over there is a classic Hatfield hillbilly breakfast. 2 eggs, 2 meats, hash with our sausage gravy right on top and toast.
Gravy, gravy, and more gravy. Right here at Hatfields, we are located where?
We are located 16700 Lorraine Avenue, and we do have a bar now too. So if you want to eat bar stuff with your breakfast or lunch or dinner, come right here.
All right. Ken Hatfield from the Hatfield and McCoy rivalry. He is a Hatfield, and what I love, your grandmother's recipes. So these are
A lot of grandmother's
these are
recipes.
down home. Okay, we're gonna go back to you guys in the studio. Look at that spread.
Oh, my.
boy,
It's
my
good.
guys are happy.
We love him.
Maybe we do.
Oh,
Nice guy.
he's great.